Also, thank you to Philip Bauer for organizing and finding the right clients for migrating to Plone 5 and to assign the task to us. Also, thank to Alec for organizing and assigning this ticket to me. So, yeah. We don't have yet the final release, but we will work on it this Saturday. So on PyPy, the release is release candidate 1, because there are still some issues, not blocker, but they are some aesthetic issues there that we will work tomorrow to fix them and have a final release. So this version is still compatible with Plone 4. We dropped archetypes dependency, and we added Zob schema and Z3C form. We dropped the magic GS and CSS browser views, faceted Vue.js and faceted Edit.js. And we reorganized JavaScript and CSS in resource bundles. So if you want to test it now, you just have to add the version here. Otherwise, it will take the previous version, which is 9.8. Let's see a quick demo on Plone 4. So here I will just install it. Let's install it also on Plone 5 to speed things up. Add a new folder. Alec Gika already did a demo on this yesterday, so I will not get into too much, just to show you what is different as previous version. So you notice on Plone 4 that we changed the configuration, the faceted configuration from here to the faceted navigation menu. Everything else is there. On Plone 5, this is one of the bugs that appear. So let's see, add a new folder, faceted, and from actions menu, enable faceted navigation, and you will notice here a new menu, faceted navigation, and you have configure and enable left-right portraits, again the issue. Okay, what else? Faceted widgets. If you have custom faceted widgets outside faceted navigation, you will have to migrate them from archetype schema to Zob schema. And here you will find also the schemata. In Zob schema we don't have schemata, so we had to implement it with Z3C form groups. So you just define your schemata like this. This faceted schemata is a class in faceted navigation. Just import it and define your schemata with label display. So if it was like that schemata display before, now is like this. And when you register your faceted navigation widget, now you also have to, in the configure ZCML, you'll have to explicitly say the schema used by that widget. Also, don't forget in Edit.js, you have to upgrade your selectors. Before was like this, query this ID default. When you set the default value of a widget, now the selector is this. It's a small change, but don't ask yourself why it doesn't work. Faceted views widgets are the same. In the same way, you register with the faceted view meta tag, and the JavaScript resources in Plone 4, as I said, we dropped the faceted Vue.js bundle, magic bundle, and the faceted edit. So now you will find all the resources in portal CSS. So faceted navigation, and here we'll see all the widgets registered in CSS. And in the bundle, there is still this bundle. So when this if I select develop off, save, you will get a bundle with all these faceted navigation, widgets, and CSS. Same for JavaScript. In Plone 5, there is no portal CSS and portal JavaScript, so you will find the bundles here. What else? So we're going to sprint on fixing remaining issues tomorrow. On these issues, if you want to join us, please, to have the final release this weekend. Questions, please. Yes.
Does it support the bootstrap grid?
The bootstrap grid? No, the layout is still the one from Plone 4.
Even in Plone 5?
Even in Plone 5, but we can work on that. You can submit an issue and we cannot, because yes, there is an issue here that it doesn't have the responsive design. But this can be easily fixed with Diazo team, I think. Anyone else? Okay, yes, please.
I tried to create some widgets this summer for a pet project. And what I found is that every widget has only one facet it's one facet that is added to the query, to the final query that is sent in every faceted view. And when I wanted to look up how to fix it, I looked into the docs directory and I found the widgets.txt and it was empty.
The widgets.txt is empty. Let's see. In the docs, you says, because the widgets.txt is empty, because the documentation for widgets is per widget. So if you go to the text widget, you'll find a widget.txt. So yeah, I should state that in the widgets.txt. Look in the.
One line with a pointer.
Yeah. Okay. I know that.
No.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, we're on time. I finished on time even if I started late. Thank you.